Okay, sabi ni Gary, it's like you're promoting hindi na magtapos na pag-aaral and be contented with seminars and vocational, no? So sa call center po, walang discrimination pagdating sa educational background, pero sa ibang field, importante po ang diploma. Gary, I totally agree with you sa other fields, importante yung diploma. Ako kasi business owner ako, so I'm talking about business. That's why, for me, diploma was not useful for me in business. But if you want to become a doctor, you need the diploma, for sure, no? I also don't agree na dapat walang diploma yung doktor. Dapat meron. Kasi just imagine the lives that they're saving, no? If you want to become a lawyer, you need the diploma for sure, no? If you want to become a pilot, you need the diploma for sure. I totally agree with that, no? But ako kasi I'm speaking for business. Because I'm a business owner, I'm an entrepreneur. What I mean is, a diploma is just a paper because it's really just a paper, no? It doesn't give you, does it mean if you have 5 diplomas, you're smarter than someone who has no diploma? If you have 5 diplomas, you're smarter than someone who has only 2 diplomas? Does that make sense? So, what I want people to realize is learning doesn't stop after you go to school. Okay? Akala kasi nila, okay, tapos na yung pag-aaral ko, I can now start working, and then, that's when learning stops. Alam mo, in fact, if you notice, maraming cum laude, cum laude ako, no? Maraming who excel in school but don't excel in life. And ako, personal belief ko lang, I think it's probably because they think learning stops. And I think that's the reason why successful people continue to become successful and still strive kahit successful na sila, because learning is not a phase in life. It's a lifestyle. So, you wanna ask yourself, no, how many books have you read na ba? Even if you didn't graduate, even if you already graduated college. Because me, I graduated college like, I don't know, a decade ago. But till today, every single day, I still study kahit wala akong exam. I still read the book even if I don't have a teacher. And that's what it means to be a lifetime learner.